Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door.
Hello beautiful people, welcome you all back to Home Sweet Food. Today is another recipe that I'm going to share with you. I made this kebab during this weekend for a sister. She made an order from Home Sweet Food. Yes, I'm so happy that she called in for this order. She said, "When kebab she said, "A kebab Home Sweet Food." You see, a journey pa a yete, a journey pa ye ye body ye flavors, not to say, Ubiera obedibia, obesa baby. So, the ingredient that I'm using for today's recipe, I have 2 white onion, 2 red bell pepper, then 1 green onion. I have garlic, I have ginger, and then I have leek. The leek belongs to the onion family. They add more flavor to the food that you are cooking it. So if you have not tried leek, just search more about it. If you like it, just add to your food. It add more flavor to whatever that you are cooking with. Just say I have washed everything that I'm using here, because when you bring this vegetable from the supermarket, you don't want to bring this item straight to your kitchen, right? So you clean everything, and then I've already cleaned this, but I'm still cleaning it one more time because this leek has a lot of dirt. So make sure you open every rinse or whatever, then clean it thoroughly with clean water as I'm doing. They say if you man kasa and it will be beam, not is a walk pa. I've already washed it, but I'm still washing it again. They say will customer with DBB and all the board and waha. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I do upload a new video, you know it. You see, I'm raising it one more time again. They say thank you all for supporting me. They said me the women now say and need support. I want to share this video with your loved ones. Don't forget to give me thumbs up if you like everything that I'm doing here. Just a Home Sweet Food. We say every maybe I will be a middle there. Nearby me that was a partner all day. They say, Madam Match say, and I say, my bisa. But the moment she called in for this order, oh, I got the power. I got the zeal. To do this for her. Thank you, my lovely sister. So normally with Ghana kebab, you just sprinkle the kebab sauce, or if you have any spice that you can add with oil, then that is all. But for me, I do blend some onion, ginger, garlic, and then the leek, then the red, and then the green pepper to add more flavor to the meat. Just a main pese. Oh, we now make it. Just oh, we not just oh, TBB, oh, flavor. Be so. Yes, Anna. Yeah, keep on watching to support your sister. They say new kebab business. With idea on the way. That's the other onions and then the pepper that I'm going to add when the meat is done. So I'm going to blend these ones: the onion, the red bell pepper, the ginger. Yeah, so everything is ready. The meat is already prepped. Let's go blend and then start this kebab business. So the kids were sleeping. That is why I went into a separate room to blend this spice. They say Home Sweet Food Frenade my water many day in this super, so I didn't use all. I'll keep the rest. If I need it, then I will use it. And I'm adding some olive oil so that when I'm baking, it doesn't stick into the baking pan or the baking sheet that I'll be using.
She tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating, and she says
I'm now adding my kebab powder. Then I mix everything before I put it on the kebab stick. Then we bake it. I got this soya or kebab powder from a lovely brother from Ghana. Thank you, brother, for the support. Just say, oh yeah, boy, home seafood. Yeah, you are all welcome to be part of this channel. I do appreciate you all.
In her head, that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you right.
So I'm done putting this meat on the kebab stick, and I did put mine on the baking sheet to get any water so that I don't get a lot of mess in the oven. So I just remove it from the baking sheet, and I'm just rubbing some kebab powder that I mixed with some oil to avoid it being dry. Then I have some water over there to keep the oven moist. And this is what I do with the vegetable. I give it a little fry, then I'll sprinkle some kebab powder. You can add any spice of your choice, but I did sprinkle some kebab powder to add more flavor. Send your more real. Because we didn't grill this kebab. Grill the flavors be hasani more real. Be over real, but to say what could be doing fine. And I say, yeah, balance a queer gassa. So I have my baby at my back there. My little boy just wake up and I couldn't start the process with it all. So this is how I'm packaging this for my lovely sister. They're gonna have a party, so let's make it beautiful for them so that next time they can come back again for Kebab Powder. Thank you all for supporting me and watching my videos for me. Please don't forget to share with your loved ones and keep on watching. So we are all done. God bless you. I do love you all for all the support. Hey, we're better than the one that you do buy on your street. Kyikyinga.
Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back.